Your question is, which one of the following is not an important and permanent constituent in the constitutional history of India as adopted in the Government of India Act 1935? Your options are A. A written constitution for the country, B. Elected representatives responsible to the legislature, C. Envisaging a scheme of federation, or D. Nomination of official members to the legislature. Right answer is A. A written constitution for the country. Your question is, member of Constituent Assembly who drafted the Constitution of India were. Your options are A. Nominated by British Parliament, B. Nominated by Governor General, C. Elected by legislative assemblies of various provinces, or D. Elected by Indian National Congress and Muslim League. Right answer is C. Elected by legislative assemblies of various provinces. Your question is, who was the first nominated deputy chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Your options are A. T.T. Krishnamachari, B. V.T. Krishnamachari, C. H.C. Mukherjee, or D. Frank Antony. Right answer is D. Frank Antony. Your question is, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Provisions, sources. Your options are A. Fundamental Rights, USA, B. Directive Principles of State Policy, Ireland, C. Residuary Powers of Centre, Australia, or D. Emergency Powers, Germany. Right answer is C. Residuary Powers of Centre, Australia. Your question is, there were originally how many articles in the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 420, B. 380, C. 395, or D. 270. Right answer is C. 395. Your question is, which one of the following is not included in the Union list of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Defence, B. Foreign Affairs, C. Railways, or D. Agriculture. Right answer is D. Agriculture. Your question is, which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution? Your options are A. Fundamental Rights, B. Directive Principles of State Policy, C. The Preamble, or D. Right to Constitutional Remedies. Right answer is C. The Preamble. Your question is, India has people's sovereignty because the preamble of the Constitution begins with the words. Your options are A. Democratic India, B. Republic of People, C. Democracy of People, or D. We the People of India. Right answer is D. We the People of India. Your question is, the central and state governments get authority from. Your options are A. Indian Constitution, B. President of India, C. Prime Minister of India, or D. Indian Parliament. Right answer is A. Indian Constitution. Your question is, which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the formation of the following Indian states? Use the code given below to select the correct answer. 1. Chhattisgarh, 2. Arunachal Pradesh, 3. Jharkhand, 4. Sikkim. Codes. Your options are A. 4132, B. 4231, C. 3214, or D. 1423. Right answer is B. 4231. Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. Your question is, the guardian of fundamental rights is. Your options are A. Judiciary, B. Executive, C. Parliament, or D. None of these. Right answer is A. Judiciary. Your question is, which one of the following is not among the 6 fundamental rights provided by the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Right to equality, B. Right to property, C. Right against exploitation, or D. Right to freedom of religion. Right answer is B. Right to property. Your question is, bonded labor was abolished in India by an act of parliament enacted in the. Your options are A. 1971, B. 1976, C. 1979, or D. 1981. Right answer is B. 1976. Your question is, which one of the following is included in the Directive Principles of State Policy? Your options are A. Protection in respect of conviction for offences, B. Protection of life and personal liberty, C. Protection of interests of minorities, or D. Equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Right answer is D. Equal pay for equal work both men and women. Your question is, to whom does the President of India submit his resignation? Your options are A. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, B. The Vice President of India, C. The Chief Justice of India, or D. The Prime Minister of India. Right answer is B. The Vice President of India. Your question is, under which article of the Indian Constitution did the President give his assent to the ordinance on electoral reforms when it was sent back to him by the Union Cabinet without making any changes in the year 2002? Your options are A. Article 121, B. Article 142, C. Article 123, or D. Article 124. Right answer is C. Article 123. Your question is, which President of India was called the Missile Man? Your options are A. Dr. Radhakrishnan, B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Your question is, the least number of members who can table the no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers in Lok Sabha is? Your options are A. 20, B. 30, C. 40, or D. 50. Right answer is D. 50. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. The Advocate General of a state in India is appointed by the President of India on the recommendation of the Governor of the concerned state. 2. As provided in Civil Procedure Code, High Courts have original appellate and advisory jurisdiction at the state level. Which of the following statements given above are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. Your question is, the Solicitor General of India is? Your options are A. An administrative officer, B. A legal advisor, C. An advisor to Prime Minister, or D. A law officer for giving advice to the President of India. Right answer is B. A legal advisor.